Welcome friends to my channel where I share with you my passion of cooking and travel. So today's recipe is a Middle Eastern recipe which is called chicken tawook. And normally it is served with Arabic bread and it is marinated with olive oil and but I'm doing a healthy version today. I'm not using olive oil, I'm using water, and I'll be serving with not with Arabic bread, I'll be serving with broccoli. So let's start the recipe. So first you need to marinate the chicken. So I have around 100 grams of chicken breast which I cut it in cubes. And for marination I have a 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic, and a pinch of turmeric and a pinch of paprika powder. And I have 2 tablespoons of hung yogurt, and for the oil substitute I'm using water, and I have a little bit of lemon juice and salt. And as I say that for garnish I'm using broccoli, it's 200 and something grams of broccoli and some tomato, and I have a yogurt mustard dressing for the chicken. So first we have to marinate the chicken. So I'll put yogurt, some water, lemon juice, tomato paste, garlic, turmeric, and the paprika. And I'll put a little bit of salt in this. So I marinate this. You need to keep this marinade at least overnight, or 30 minutes, 40 minutes is okay. I'll keep it for 30 minutes because I have to do it faster. So I'll put the chicken now. And after 30 minutes, I'll show you all what is the next step. So we'll see you next time. So after 30 minutes, I just took out from the fridge. I have 2 wooden skewers which I have soaked it in water overnight. Now I'll just put the chicken in the skewer. I have a very hot grill. I'll just put in that. I'm not using any oil in this, so I'll put it like this. Oh, I love the sizzling sound. So you have to put around 5 minutes or 4 minutes in each side, and please don't touch it. Just you turn it after 4 minutes of one side. So after 4 minutes, I'll show you the. So after 4 minutes, so I'll show you then. Oh, I'm not using any oil, but see the grill mark. Oh, very nice. Now I leave another side for 4 to 5 minutes till the chicken is cooked. I have some grilled tomato also here. Oh, this is nice. Tomato. So just for this side only. I'll show you after 5 minutes. So my chicken is already done. Now I plate it. So I have already put some broccoli, some boiled broccoli and grilled tomato. So I'll be using a little bit of my mustard yogurt dressing. Put a little bit here in the broccoli. And I'll put my chicken. Now I'll put the dressing. So this is my take of Middle Eastern chicken tawook, but I've not used any oil and it's very healthy. Please try and leave your special comment for me to improve more for the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.